if I consult you, there are some people that you're not supposed to help. Uzidlozi lakhe lithi prophet umncane kakhulu anyeke umncede lo makahamba endaweni so. Yeah, understand.
Kufanele kwenzekeni lapha?
Khona amanye amadlozi wabo amakhosi. Abathintwa anyeke umgeze noma ungamgeza umntana abantu umdlela imali yakhe. You can't. I understand.
Amakhosi.
Yeah, from the royal. Njengami from the royal. I was not supposed ukuthi ngincede umuntu. So bakhona abanye bathi no prophet lo wami lo makazenzele makahamba entabeni ayethenga into esona so ayenze sona so azenzele athathe isikhathi sakhe asikajaka mphoye ito operator kancane kancane atsamaya idiphororo ayephi azenzele. There's no need for abayakhuluma abanye amadlozi bathi nina ndlela abantwana bethu imali. Yes, ayakhuluma abanye amadlozi. So most of people that I'm helping abantu aba confused ngegift yabo ukuthi kahle kahle ledlozi elingambethe eliphi lifunani. Okay, umkhulu wami washona asimazi ukuthi ukuphi. So umoya wakhe bafuna sithathe kanjani? Because umuntu oshonile mina yimi ngiconnecta nomuntu oshonile. It doesn't matter ukuthi washona kuphi kanjani mara if ushonile uzoconnecta like masimbiza ngegama.
If bamthewulile
ngiyakhona ukumkhipha still. That's part of my job also. I go there in the darkness ngimkhiphe ngize naye and then asikhulumele for you to prove ukuthi this is my dad. Anyeke ngithi all right.